John W., we have the select on the wall right there. I'm just going to leave them there. One on top and there's a couple on the side. I think it should be 11 bucks. We'll roll for that. The fifth one down in that main stack. You're going to do a select basketball, and you're going to do two of those ultimate football. We have 1 through 9 behind me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. 7's gone. 2. We have number 2. We have 2 still. We have 2. 2 and 9. There we go. We'll leave those back there, and we'll do the select first. 12, 13, select. Box number 12. Kobe Bryant, and you guessed it, Kobe. Here we go, John. John W. Bernard James. John Havlicek. Carl Malone. Yeah. Get a grip. Your first hit is 449. Kyle Singler. Prism card of Magic Johnson. Valued collector is Jimmy Butler. Rookie jersey prism autograph. Pretty nice. They should be moving on. Jimmy Butler. Guy opens the door and leaves the door open. Magic Johnson. Draymond Green. Gold, Chris Paul. Hot star, Chris Paul. 3 of 10? 1 of 10. First one stamped. 0, 1 of 10. Chris Paul. Dion Waiters. $3.99. Arnett Moultrie. John Wall Prism. Number to 149 Prism autograph Myers Leonard. Your last pack, John. Kevin Love. He's white hot. Alright, we'll recap this, then we'll finish up with your couple of ultimate footballs. We have Myers Leonard Prism, Arnett Moultrie. Numbered 1 of 10, Chris Paul Gold Hot Stars, Prism Rookie Jersey autograph, Jimmy Butler, and Kyle Singler. Drop that there. Numbered to 99, that is Williams. Let me make sure. Yeah, Kason Williams. Numbered 39 of 99. Jay Ajayi. Numbered to 40. So hard to read these. Amir, that one's numbered to 40. Amir Abdullah, numbered 4 of 25. Devin Funches. And 4 of only 10. Stephon Diggs. 4 of 10 on the gold. Okay. Pretty cool. Box number 2. A die cut. First one of those I've seen out of here. 22 of 99. That one is Kevin Johnson. 29 of 99, Sean Mannion. Is that focusing? There we go. The silver version, number 13 of 15, Tyler Lockett. And number 16 of 99. Oh, that's that Epi. Let me see. Ifo Epi Alamu. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. That dude's name. And anyway, Amir Abdullah, 12 of 15, helmet die cut. Alrighty. Pretty cool. That's it, John. We'll get this on the way tonight. See you, man.